Aquí está Cóndor pasa.
After all the adventures yesterday, we decided today was a good day to sleep in. So we pushed back our Rainbow Mountain tour, slept in a little bit, had a hotel breakfast, and now we came up the mountain.
We have arrived at Sacsayhuaman. Yes, Sacsayhuaman.
Sacsayhuaman, we headed down the hill to San Christobal Cathedral and climbed up the bell tower. Then we headed over to the Blas neighborhood to explore and see the old Aqueducto.
Today lunch is at Uchu in Cusco. We got some ceviche and volcanic stone cooked chicken breast with some native potatoes.
Sizzling still.
Looks delicious.
And then we visited the famous 12-sided stone.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Now we're in the Plaza de Armas, just enjoying a sunny, beautiful afternoon before heading to the market and calling it a day.
It's 4:30 in the morning, bright and early day. We're waiting for our shuttle. They're already a few minutes late.
The ride up to Rainbow Mountain was beautiful.
Got fresh mint for tea, some breads, and a good breakfast on our way up to the mountain.
Mommy and Mika got some horses, but Russell and I decided we'll take a little hike. So we are marching our way up Rainbow Mountain.
Russell made a friend. Companionship for the walk. We finally made it all the way to the top of the overlook of Rainbow Mountain. I really didn't expect the 360-degree views that we have, and what a day, what a view. One of the most beautiful hikes I think I've ever done.
After a long day of hiking, we've got Japanese Peruvian fusion for dinner tonight. Lots of raw fish on the table.
Today's the day I've been looking forward to.
There were protests, so at first we thought our bike trip was going to be canceled, but then we were able to make it out. Ready to ride? While Russell felt a little bit sick, Nika and I biked around rural Cusco and saw Moray ruins and Maras salt mines. Lunch today on the trail with a view. Last night in Cusco, we got a delicious meal with lomo saltado, some rellenos, and finally tasting queen.
It's like bacon.
Now we're heading back to the hotel room to pack because it's time to head back to Lima.
¡Viva Cusco! ¡Vamos para Estados Unidos! ¡Bravo!